Hello, Pupil. We're going to head out bright and early tomorrow to do some fishing, but we're not going to focus on bass like we normally have been. We are going to be throwing our Senko wacky rig for bass, but we're not going to spend all our time bass fishing. We're also going to take this rod here that I have set up for a little bit of bobber fishing, possibly panfish or whatever. I'm gonna be I miss fishing like that with a bobber and just fishing for bluegill or whatever bites. I'm gonna be using grasshoppers, crickets, and shrimp, little bits of shrimp for bait, and we'll see what happens out there. And we'll just mix it up, a little bit of bass and a little bit of whatever. So I'll see you all out there, and God bless. All right, Pupil. We're here at the lake. We had a low last night, about 79, 80. High today is supposed to be around 105, 106. I'm fishing my Senko wacky rigged right now for some bass. We're going to do that for a bit, and then today we're going to, like I say, do something a little bit different. I'm going to try to catch some sunfish, and we got a bunch of them out here. Something I haven't done since I was a little kid, like 12 years old or so. And I don't even know if it'll work, but we're going to try it. Beautiful morning. Do y'all hear that? Of course you don't, because it's dead quiet. Summer vacation is over. And that means I'll be picking up a load of trash today and get it out off the shoreline. We've got a bunch of bait fish activity going on here. Not all bait fish. Some are small bass, bluegills, tiny bluegills. Stole my bait. All right, let's try a piece of shrimp. Come on, panfish. Remind me of my youth. Got something messing with it. Got him. Little bitty thing. Bluegill. See if we can get one a little bigger. I knew we have that. I know we had that size in here. I might lower my depth. See if there's anything bigger, deeper down. I'm fishing about, I think about 5 feet deep. All right, let's go with a cricket or a grasshopper, whatever comes out. All right, we got a cricket on there. All right, back to a piece of shrimp. And we're going to put it out a little further. Bobber went under. Got him. Oh, this one's got a little more weight. Interesting. What is it? What is this? Catfish. Little channel cat. Come here, buddy. I would have showed that catfish off, but my battery went dead and I didn't want to just leave them flopping on the bank. All right, we got some panfish, we got a catfish, now we need a bass. I'm fishing my wacky worm and the bobber at the same time. So I got shrimp under the bobber and a wacky rig Senko. I got a bass. Got him. Gotcha. Oh man, he's swimming quick. Come in, Mr. Bass. I got you. Sweet, beautiful bass, a little over a pound. We're gonna let you go. Beautiful. There he goes. What else can we catch? We got some sunfish, we got some bluegills, we got a bass, we got a catfish. What else will today bring? We're also going to change our location. All right, let's throw out a grasshopper or a shrimp, or a cricket, I mean. See if we can't catch something on the last cricket. Then we're going to go to shrimp only on the bobber. There goes a pretty crane. This is the last time I'm going to throw the worm. I shouldn't have brought this rod. I knew this was going to happen. I wanted to focus on a little bobber fishing today. So we're going to put this worm up, this worming rod. We're going to focus on catching some panfish or whatever. Catfish, maybe a bass will get. All I got left is shrimp now. All right, let's put this up. Let's do what we came out here for. I found out these little pieces of shrimp don't stay on the hook too good. Oh, got him. Little bitty thing. A little gill. Little gill, he's bleeding a little bit. But I didn't hook him in his gills. That's just coming out of his. He'll be all right. I have no more crickets or grasshoppers. So we're going to go with just shrimp. Once that's gone, then if I have time, we'll chunk the bass rod. Oh, what is that? What did I hook into? All I got is a tiny Aberdeen hook on there. I think it's another catfish. Wonder what I got. I want to just see it. It might straighten out that hook, but if I can just see it. Here comes the bobber. What did I get? Maybe a Gaspergoo or something? Let me just see. Catfish. Another catfish. Maybe I'll be able to show this one. Last one my battery went dead. Come in, Mr. Catfish. I got him foul hooked, I think. Or he's all wrapped up. Alright, come here, buddy. Let's get you undone before you hurt yourself. Oh no, I did foul hook him. Alright, come here. Alright, we got another catfish. A little over a foot long. We're gonna let him go. Right here. off them little bitty pieces of shrimp about the size of a pencil eraser. Very interesting. Let's see what else we can get. That's what I always love about fishing like this. Anything can take it. Very enthralling. I love it. I just got a bite. Got him. Let's see. Oh, this might be another catfish. It's got some. Yeah, this has got to be another catfish. Very interesting. Yeah, it's got to be another catfish. Not what I was expecting or wanting, but we'll take it. I love fishing with a bobber like this. About the same size as the other ones. Well, if I wanted to have a catfish fry, these are perfect size. Come here. Come here. Another catfish throwing slime all over my glasses and GoPro. Not bad. He straightened out my number 4 Aberdeen hook. But that's why I love fishing like this. You just never know. But now we know. Probably another catfish waiting out there. Hey, I'll take it. I was just about to start throwing the bass rod again, but I think I'll hold off on that. Let's see what else we can catch. Maybe we'll get a Gaspergoo. Something's on. What do we got? Look there, our target species for today. All right, that's just a little bitty guy. We'll let him go and make good bait for a bass. Go, guy, or a catfish. I got some shrimp I didn't cut up. Let's put a big piece on and see if we can catch a big bluegill. Put a piece like that and get it out there a little further. When the piece stays on, I can catch something, even if it's tiny. Tiny little gills. I love fishing like this. So relaxing, and it's just interesting. I love it. All right, we'll see if we can't get one more on the shrimp, then we've got to head on back. We'll wind out the day doing a little bass fishing. It's very interesting. I really enjoyed this. Got him. Another little bitty thing. And no wonder I was losing all my bait. Well, it's not just this, it's that they're so, the bait is not good to use like that. There we go. Plate size for a Barbie doll. Still enjoy it, still love it. That's a little bit better there. I don't know what it is. Another little cat. This one's a baby one. All right. You slimed up my line, you little slimer. There he goes. Slimed up my line, slimed up my glasses, slimed up my GoPro. Pick up more trash. We'll just keep filling this bag as we go back. I should be able to pick up a bass right around this area. At least I was able to I think it was about 4 or 5 days ago. Somebody lost their ball cap. Oh my God. I just missed a nice fish by messing with my phone. That was a nice one. Took my wacky worm and left me an O-ring. Oh man, that was a nice one. All right, I've got to head back to my machine. The day is over. That one that got away will be in my memories tonight. But it happens. That's what makes things, keeps it interesting. Hopefully the next time I get it. But I've got some stuff I've got to take care of. Had a good time today. A mixed bag of fish. Hello, people. I made it back, and wow, that was so interesting and enthralling for me. That was just like reliving my youth almost. I just found it fascinating. It's something oh man, am I going to be doing that some more. Fishing with a bobber and just worms or corn or shrimp or grasshoppers or crickets or whatever. I found that just fascinating. But if you saw that fish I lost, that was heartbreaking. This is the rod I was using. It's my favorite combo, and I know what it takes to pull drag. I don't know if you really understood what happened. I cast the wacky worm out. I was messing with my phone, text messaging my brother. I shoved the rod between my thighs and began messing with my phone. It literally almost shot out like a rocket. I grabbed it up, and it was just instant drag squeal, and that quick, it was gone. It's straight in the hook. But what I'm saying is, this is my favorite combo. It's a Johnny Morris Carbon Light 2.0 rod, paired up with a Shimano Vanford spinning reel, 2500, Vanford 2500. I know what it takes I had that drag crank down. I know what it takes to make it anyway. Don't text and drive, and don't fish. Don't text and fish either, because that cost me. That fish had to be at least 5 pounds. I think it was more in probably the 7-pound range. But anyway, I had a blast doing that. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you do enjoy these videos, please press that subscribe button and the notification bell. And please give it a thumbs up. And God bless, and bye-bye.